Oh.
Whoa.
Chad does some things that will surprise you.
Oh, we got Kim with the full bikini now.
Looks like Chad might be going in for the final polish.
1, 2, 3.
Today we're gonna do a little challenge. So on this channel, me and Karina always challenge each other. Multitude of things that are garage related, right? So today we have our two friends here, our special guests. And what do they have in common, guys?
They're short.
No, they're both import models, which means they model next to cars, right? So on the last episode, we got the 2 police cars started working. Get on the ground! So today, we need to clean them. So we thought what we could do is each girl's gonna clean a car, me and Karina. So here we go, James.
That is a terrible
We have James.
choice.
And we have Karina, right? And we have Kim, and we have Cha. And one of these are gonna be our teammates. Whoever wins, which would mean that Karina wins, she will then get a free flight lesson from me because we both wanted to get our pilot's license, right? And we've been procrastinating, so we thought it'd be an easy, fun way of doing it by doing a challenge today.
I'm excited, yay!
Who needs to go to Joe? Okay, well, first things first, we need to go to the store and buy some cleaning supplies. So we're gonna give them a budget each. How much budget buddy do you guys need for cleaning supplies?
100, 200.
Damn.
So we're gonna set a budget of $30 each for them to buy their supplies. And then they're gonna compete, and Chris and Jake, who are the editors of the channel, are gonna be the judges. Why don't you guys introduce yourselves so we know a little bit more about you?
Hi, it's nice to meet you. I am Kim Ta. I am very new to the import industry and such a pleasure to meet you. I'm also a pyrokinetic.
Hi, I'm Cha. I am a fashionista and a former nurse.
Whoa, spicy.
All right, should we go to the store?
Let's go.
Let's go. So we're on the way to the store. We're gonna buy these products. Very simply, me and Karina have been wanting to go do our flight, like our pilot's license for a while, right? And we thought it'd be just kind of more fun if we turned it into a bit of a challenge video today. Whoever wins is gonna get a free lesson from the other one, which is gonna be cool. And then the other one doesn't get to go for a pilot's license. That day at least.
That's just heartbreaking.
No, but not at least that day. It's supposed to be like a, what do you call it, a punishment, right?
Who's gonna go first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Let's
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
all right, plan of action. Let's go, Joe.
Let's go. We're gonna do a microfiber. Here we go. This is what I'm using. This is the microfiber. As you can see, Joe, go ahead and zoom into the price. This is $7.99 right here. Let's do this one. It's $10. This is $20. Ooh, I think we might be over. Here we go. So what I have is tire coating right here, the sponge, the microfibers, the waxing and polish, car wash and wax, and this is under the $30 budget.
I have trouble staying budget.
Yeah, she does.
It says save 20% and it's $8. Okay, so.
I like the way you think.
Prices these days, hey?
I know, right? In this economy?
Yeah, all those tariffs, hey, Joe, they're really coming to effect.
Oh, you know what? Okay, wait.
You want me to help you?
Please.
All right, ready?
Do it.
1, 2, 3. Okay. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, there we go.
Thank you.
She has to pick it herself. I can't touch the product.
Watch me.
That'd be interference, right? That'd be unfair player advantage.
He's absolutely right.
Okay, so we have the hose and then we have the this to like lather the hose and then this to dry. I think we're good.
Are we good?
We're ready.
Good to go?
Ready, good to go.
All right, looks like we're done here. So Joe, that came out to $62 and Kim was over budget by 11 bucks. So whatever the girls get as a score, we're gonna deduct 1 point from Kim from being over budget. I think that's fair, right?
That's fair.
That's fair. So we thought the easiest way to do this right, have them wash the same car, put a line down the middle, and then we can see who did the better job.
Are you going all the way to the back or just
We just did that. I mean, they're kind of short, Joe. Like, I think the roof is gonna be that important. I think this is gonna really be what sets things apart. Straight down the middle there. Don't worry about the roof completely because, you know, I don't know how much they're really gonna about it. They might jump for it. A little bit of jumpy action, right, babe? To make things more interesting, we don't know who our teammate's gonna be. We're gonna flip a coin for it. That way it's completely fair, right? Yes. And we're also not gonna interfere with it. So whoever does the best job, and then the loser's gonna buy the other one that flight lesson, which hopefully it's me. I'm really excited. What about you?
Hopefully it's me. Don't. I just know I'm gonna win.
She's excited inside. All right, what do you want, head or tails?
Should we say head, Kim, tails, Cha?
Cool. I feel like she knows something that I don't know. All right, ready?
You can't see who it is.
Oh yeah, and the judges, that's why we just kicked them inside too. They're not allowed to know who it's gonna be.
Yeah, because I don't want them to interfere with that.
All right, ready?
Ready?
What is it?
So it was tails.
This is not tail, this is a head.
That was heads, but
Oh no, that's tail. That is tail.
oh,
Yeah. Not yet. Look at these guys trying to cheat. All right,
He's Chipotle, that's why.
I'm Kim. I have a good feeling about Kim. But Kim loses a point, and I said that because she screwed up on the budget. We're gonna deduct 1 point from Kim from being over budget.
Yeah, so you're already behind.
So I'm already behind by a point, and they don't know about that either. We're not.
I love Cha, but she's not built for manual work.
I don't know. Sometimes Chad does some things that will surprise you.
Well,
trust me.
Let's see how it goes.
Trust me.
I really want a flight lesson. He wouldn't. I even applied for one.
Here's the deal. Whoever wins gets the flight lesson. The other person's not allowed one for a month after that. So whoever gets the flight lesson is going to enjoy themselves for a month.
And whoever wins get my old flight stuff too, because I don't need it anymore.
Joe's donating to the cause.
What is going on?
I have flight stuff when I was getting my pilot's lessons. So,
Sweeten the pot.
That is not fair.
All right, let's get these girls in their bikinis, and then let's get them out here to compete.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right, so Cha, what is the plan of action today?
So today I just plan to just go in there and get every crevice and nooks and everything else washed.
What's gonna be the first step?
Is to get it all wet, lather it all up and get the whole thing wet.
Sounds pretty good.
What was the budget?
It was 30.
30 bucks? How much did you spend?
Actually I went under budget, which is the first time I never go under budget.
Thank you for coming along. We'll be right back after this break. And we're off. Here we go. We have Cha and Ta. Oh, we got the water going in the bucket now. Here we go.
Starting off hot. They're fighting over the water.
Yep, they're gonna be fighting over the water. Cha's trying to get the soap.
One-handed soap.
Oh, there we
Look
go.
at that.
That's a lot of soap. That is a lot of soap.
Really good technique though to the one-handed
Really
squirt.
technique. Oh, we got sharing happening right now. Kim's gonna go for the rinse right now. All right. What do you think about this, Jake?
I'm loving it. I love the sportsmanship.
Yeah, there's sportsmanship going on.
Yep.
The way that they shared the water. Can we get an instant replay on the sharing the water? Immaculate. All right, so far we have Cha getting the headlights, which looks pretty shiny so far. While we still have Kim over there doing a soft rinse. You know, honestly, I would have gone for the rinse, you know?
We got 13 minutes, ladies.
13 minutes. Yep, we got 13 minutes on the clock right now. Here we go. All right, Cha's making her way to the driver's door and the roof. Oh, we're touching the roof now. Oh.
I'm getting divorced.
Yep.
Whoa.
Whoa. Quite a performance by Cha. Judges are gonna have to rate that one. Oh wait, we're the judges.
You got that one.
Oh,
Big
there you
car
go,
wash
Cha.
guy.
Give him a little thank you and appreciation for filming. Oh, we got Kim with the full bikini now.
Lost for words. Lost for words, boys. 12 minutes left on the clock.
We got 12 minutes left on the clock.
Looks like we're self-shining today.
Yeah, we got some self-shining. You know, I gotta say, the car looks a lot shinier than it did before.
It's looking a lot better now.
Looks a lot better.
A lot better.
I can't see what Kim's doing over there, but I imagine it's doing pretty good. Let's tune in with James here. James, how are you feeling about this right now?
It's quite a lot going on, I guess, behind the scenes over here, right? Right, Joe? Who's got in the lead, Joe?
I have no idea. I'm just working the camera.
Joe's really concentrating. He's making sure he doesn't miss a single moment, right, Joe?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice work. What do you think, Karina?
I think I'm gonna lose for some magical reason. But you never know. Maybe I can persuade the Chargers.
10 minutes, 10 minutes. Where's the thing?
10 minutes right now. 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
All right, looks like Cha's going for the rinse now. It appears that she is done soaping the car. Now, I gotta say, the performance on this is doing really good. I would say it's better than the halftime shows at the Super Bowl. Cha is really trying to get those performance points, I will admit. Let's get a quick word from our sponsors today. Sponsoring Thompson Garage. Make sure you like and subscribe. Solid 80 degrees today.
Is it really? And I'm wearing a hoodie.
80 degrees here today in Las Vegas. We got Kim Cam over there.
Looks like Cha might be going in for the final polish with the microfiber cloth, dual wielding the microfiber cloth actually.
We got a dual wield over here.
5 minutes.
4 minutes left. It looks like these girls are using the time very wisely right now. Oh, we got performance here, Cam.
Kim, I think you might want to get up there and
We got Cha over here in a music video. We are down to 3 minutes and this car is not dried yet. I will admit, it is not dried yet.
They've been wiping for...
Chris is a stickler for details.
Yes. Oh, we got Kim riding the bull on top of the car. Things are about to get interesting now. We're down to 1 more minute. It looks like we are drying up here. Kim's side looks pretty dry as well. Look at that windshield. That windshield is windshielding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands
And
off the
that's
car.
time.
Hands off the car.
Everyone off the car.
Good job, ladies.
All right,
We didn't
ladies
put
and gentlemen.
any
I
ratings
think you guys
down.
have to have a little walk around, right?
Yes, we're gonna have a little
Yeah.
walk around right now. So after careful review, me and Jake have come to numbers. We are gonna start off with Kim on 3.
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, not bad, not bad.
22, and you gave a
21.5.
21.5. And then next,
We got Cha on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, damn.
Does that mean Cha won?
Cha 1.
Yep, Cha won.
And we had to take 1 point off Kim.
Yippee.
All right, guys, I would like to thank you for coming along with this. Sponsored by James Thompson Garage. Like and subscribe.
So I guess, yeah, that's that for today. So now we're gonna go book in a time for her to go flying, and I have to pay for it apparently.
Yes, you do.
Look, she's actually excited. Look at her face. Like she actually looks excited.
I am.
Yeah, now we're gonna do a quick dramatic cut, and we'll be at the the flight track place. What do you call it? The aerospace place with the planes and stuff. That's the place. We are now going to the airport. How was it?
Awesome. I feel like I don't know anything though.